This 4-pack of Deepn Solar Security Lights delivers very strong, cool white illumination that can comfortably cover a large driveway, yard, or side of a house. The integrated motion sensor and multiple lighting modes, all adjustable by remote, make it easy to fine-tune brightness and timing for different outdoor areas. Because the panels charge from sunlight and run dusk to dawn without wiring, they are a practical way to add security lighting without increasing the monthly electric bill. The housings use a sturdy plastic body with a metal mounting bracket and carry an IP66 weather rating, so they hold up well in rain, wind, and wide temperature swings. Installation is straightforward since the lights are wireless and include hardware for mounting on walls, poles, or trees around a property. Taken together, the bright output, smart controls, and durable build make these Deepn solar lights a dependable upgrade for general outdoor and security lighting.